Welcome to Pimcoai. We're so excited to have you here. In this short video, you'll learn how to get started, explore the platform, and take your very first steps toward investing with confidence. Stay with us until the end, and everything will feel clear and simple. On the home page, you'll see a general overview of the platform and its key features. It's the perfect place to get a quick snapshot of what Pimcoai is all about. Next, head over to the About Us tab. Here you'll find our white paper. And down the page, you'll find frequently asked questions, a great way to dive deeper into how the platform works and get answers to common queries. In the Services and Shop tabs, you can explore all of our available plans and products. If you have any questions, you can chat directly with our friendly bot at the bottom of the page, or reach out through the Contact Us tab to connect with our team. Don't forget to check out our blog. It's full of interesting articles and insights to keep you inspired and up to date. Now, let's log into your account. First, create an account, then once signed in, you'll enter your personal dashboard. This is your control center, where you can track your investments, monitor progress, and access all the tools you need to manage your portfolio. Inside the dashboard, you'll find several important sections. Investments and products. Manage the plans and products you've purchased. Daily profit. See the total daily profit generated by all users. Withdrawal. Submit your withdrawal requests quickly and easily. Wallet and NFTs. View your NFTs, check wallet status, and manage connections. If you face any issues, open a ticket here and our support team will respond promptly. KYC. Complete your identity verification to unlock full access to all features. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Pimcoai.io, explore our services, and make the most of your personal dashboard. We're thrilled to have you on board and look forward to supporting your journey into investing.